What if we could program an agent that is always on, listening for job postings at our target accounts, and noticing when a specific technology has been mentioned within a job posting for us to action on? Today, I'm going to show you how you can set this up in Unify. Welcome to Outbound Plays. My name is Adara, and in this series, in every single video, I'm going to show you how to take one creative outbound idea and how to completely automate it from start to finish. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Unify's AI agents to action on any custom signal in your plays. Let's get into it. Let's dive into creating our AI agent. Let's say I want to search for when accounts in my territory are hiring for software engineers, and let's say I want to action on them if Java is mentioned as a key technology in the job description. Let's go ahead and give our AI agent a name. The record type we will want this agent to review is companies. The question I'll want to ask is, I'll want this to return true or false. The second question I'll want to ask is whether Java has been listed as a technology in this job description. Now, our agent is programmed, and we can test it by selecting a company here and running generate to see how the agent thinks and works. First, I'm going to do a company that I know is hiring software engineers, but that isn't using Java in their tech stack. Let's go ahead and click generate. And the agent is thinking, and we can follow along with its thought process. Great. So we can see the response down here and that it returned true for the company hiring this role, but false for this specific technology. Just to show you the example where both of these are true, let's pull up Amazon Web Services and click generate. I want to call out that the agent is actually searching the web. As you think about use cases that you want to program, having it search for things on the web for you is a way it can save you a lot of time. So it just returned the result, and it looks like the company is hiring software engineers and that Java is one of the technologies that's listed. We can create this agent and use it in our play. Let's create a play following the template of an infinity signal. An infinity signal in the Unify world is a signal like an AI agent that's always on and that is encapsulating any qualification criteria that you may have as a business. That way, this isn't constrained to a static signal like website visits, page views, form downloads, etc. You can turn is hiring for Java engineers into a signal, and you can run this play and let it consistently prospect for you. This takes us to the play builder, which is a workflow canvas with nodes that let us construct the flow of logic that we can use to run custom outbound plays. The first node we're going to see is a trigger that's going to fire off this play. I'm going to go ahead and click when record enters audience, and the audience is going to be my territory. Now I'm going to connect the AI agent that I just built to this block. I'm going to select the agent is company hiring for software engineers. I will want this to return true, and I will want Java to be listed as a technology, and I will also want this to be returned true. Now it's going to take the companies that were in this audience, it's going to qualify them, and then for those that are qualified, I will also want to prospect into them. To do that, I'm going to grab a prospecting block. This is going to prospect for people at those companies that I define as my ideal customer profile. First, I can specify the number of people I want it to prospect for at this account, and I can specify my persona. Let's just say for this example that I'm prospecting engineering leaders and engineering managers. Last but not least, I can specify the country that I want them to be in as well. Now this prospecting node is complete, and I can enroll these folks into a sequence. Since it's going to be gathering a lot of people, I'll want to first connect this to a loop block, and then it'll loop through all those people, and then I can specify the sequence that they will get routed to. Last but not least, I will want this AI agent to repeat this process on a given interval. I can configure this in the settings, and I can say allow play to rerun on the same record. Turn this on, and let's say I want to run this every week. Click save. Just like that, I've created an AI agent that's always listening for when companies in my territory are posting jobs for software engineers that know Java. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have specific outbound ideas like this that you'd like to see automated on Unify. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking to bring something like this to your company, click the book a demo link in the description below, and a product expert like me would love to meet and whiteboard how to bring your most creative outbound ideas to life. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.